Now let's look at the second part of Canon, starting from the 9th bar. We're going to play and learn through from the 9th bar to the 16th bar. Now the 9th bar to the 16th bar is played slightly differently, but it's using the same chords that we used for the first 8 bars. If you remember, in the first 8 bars we used the chords C, G, A minor, E minor, F, C, F and G. We're going to use exactly the same chords. Chord changes are on the first beat in every single bar. Let's go through the 9th bar. We've got the chord of C. Let's form the chord of C. The pattern that we're going to play is thumb, index, middle, index. Thumb, index, middle, index. Play that a few times until you feel the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. The next chord that we've got is the G. With this one, if you remember that our G from the last lesson, we put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string and we form the G shape with the 1st and 2nd fingers. Now the pattern we're going to do is exactly the same, index, middle, index, almost through all the song now. That's the easy bit to do. So all we've got to do is concentrate now on the bass, on the 10th bar now with the chord of G. Pick with a thumb on the 6th string, index, middle, index, so let's put those 2 bars 9 and 10 both together. So we've got C. Now let's work on the 11th bar now, which is A minor. With A minor, pick with the thumb on the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the chord of E minor. So we can move our 2nd and 3rd finger up a string, and we can pick on the 6th string, our thumb, index, middle, index. So A minor. The next chord that we've got on the 13th bar is F. Now this is very similar to the C shape. We can form the C shape with our 1st, 2nd and 3rd finger. To form the F shape now, we just move our 2nd and 3rd finger down a string. This is really helpful for us to change from F, C, F. So we can just move our 2nd and 3rd finger up or down. So starting with F, F, C, F. Again, index, middle, index. And we can pick the 5th string. Those 2 up for the 14th bar, 15th bar, F, and back to the G with our 3rd finger on the 2nd string. So let's play the 9th to the 16th bar. Let's play all 16 bars together. In the first lesson, we picked a group of strings together at the same time. So we have the 5th, 2nd and 1st string when we're forming C, and we play them together, and we play it on the count of 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and then change over to G on the 2nd bar. 2, 3, 4. So what we can do, we can play a combination of picking as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, thank you very much for watching.